I want to start off by acknowledging the horrific fires that have been tearing through and destroying LA these past few weeks. If you haven't seen it, I do have a short that I posted with details on how you can donate, and I'll also link some links in the description box down below if you're able to give to Wildfire Relief. Hi there, honey bunch. Happy New Year. So 2025, it's upon us. And here are 5 things / behaviors that I'm just not gonna do in 2025. I am not participating in. Number 1 is I'm not giving myself more than 2 takes per self-tape audition that I have. Look, as actors, we're busy. You know, we usually have side jobs, we have pets, family, friends, life to live. So I'm just not gonna spend more than like 30 minutes doing a self-tape. Now, that doesn't mean I'm gonna prep any less. No, I still do my process. You know, I create the character, the environment, the need, relationships to objects, etc. The why, the tone of the show, and dressing the part. So my logic is, if I've done all of that, then why do I need 5 takes? Why? When in reality, they usually aren't very different from one another. When in reality, the first take is usually always better. So no, I will not be stressing myself out. I trust my process, I believe in myself, and I release all of that anxiety. Number 2, I am not comparing myself to others. Look, we all know that it's easy to compare ourselves to somebody else, but all of our journeys are so vastly different. Someone may be having their best year ever right now, but maybe they just came out of one of their worst years ever. You don't really know what someone's going through. So I'm gonna save myself the headache, and I'm gonna be genuinely happy for people that I know that are out here working. And I'm gonna celebrate people's wins. Also, it makes no sense, like 0 sense, to compare yourself to people who aren't even in the same category as you. When I say category, I mean age range and general appearance and vibe. Like, would you be consistently going out for the same roles as this person? Do you both have the same level of agents and managers? Have you both been in the industry the same amount of time? No? Then why compare? They're just very different situations, and I'm not gonna spend my energy worrying about that. Number 3, I'm not saying yes to everything. Listen up, y'all. Burnout is a real thing. I found that last year in an attempt to make a ton of industry friends, which I really did, and I'm so thankful for those friendships, but I said yes to every single event, like every single audition, every single coffee hang, every single networking event, etc. Every single film festival that I could get my hands on. Like, I had FOMO, and it left me feeling like I didn't have time for myself. Self-care to me is so imperative. So this year, my self-care routine consists of turning my phone off at 9:45 p.m., reading more, and running more. Never thought I'd be a runner, but here I am running. Number 4, I'm not holding on to goals that I haven't achieved. Oof. This one's difficult. For those who know me, you know that it's always been my dream to be in the Marvel Cinematic Universe or the DC Universe. I've always wanted to play a superhero. I've always wanted to be in the Avatar franchise. I love motion capture work, and I was so thankful to be able to work on a show that had motion capture work involved, and you can watch that now on Amazon Prime, called Secret Level, and I love it so much. But I'm a martial artist, I'm a dancer, and I'm currently working on my fight reel. And I've gone in for Sarah Finn casting before, who casts in all the Marvel TV shows and films. But I realize now that maybe being in the MCU or the DCU is not to the end-all, be-all goal. And that doesn't mean that I'm a failure because I haven't achieved it, but I just had this really specific vision of my life, and I was working so hard towards it. But maybe, just maybe, it's not for me. Maybe, just maybe, my life will switch and I'll end up in a different franchise. And will I be ready and available for it? So I had to take some time with myself and truly ask myself, what do I truly want out of my career? And honestly, I just want to be a consistently working actor, consistently making my SAG health insurance, and consistently being able to support myself, my family. Those are the goals, whether that's through solely TV or film, or voiceover, video games, audiobooks, modeling, I don't know. Only time will tell, but I'm excited to find out. Number 5, I am not going to take things personally. I've been up for series regulars before. I've tested, I've jumped through all the hoops, audition after audition, after callback, and then I didn't book it. And it used to crush me because we as actors put so much time and energy and love and effort into these roles that we create that when we don't book it, it feels like a personal attack, because in a way we feel like they're rejecting who we are. When in reality, there could be like 25 different reasons why you didn't book something that I feel like 90% of which never really has to do who you truly are as a person. Maybe you're too tall. Maybe the producers cut the role. Maybe they're rewriting the role. Maybe they're changing the tone of the project. Maybe the project got scrapped. Maybe the director got fired. Like, you don't know. And it's okay to not know, because it means that it wasn't your role to begin with. So don't take it personally, especially if you know you did your absolute best. There's so many things out of your control. It's not you. Maybe it's them. I hope this list inspired you to make 2025 your best year ever. Comment down below and let me know some things that you won't be doing this year. Stay safe, and I will see you all in a new video Thursday after next. Bye.